Still got Graf missing. Falcon, say something real
Capital
quick.
here. Blue 40, left hike.
Was dead.
Sorry,
He's rolling around. Has time in the pocket. Passes the check down.
that talked to me nice not too long. Oh yeah, there we go. Let's get some people in here. Oh yeah. Even though this is the most, game from the first round, it does not matter. To be first 15, Capital. Way out to his right, plenty of time, plenty of consent. He's gonna hit the left sideline, and he's gonna get it.
Oh, Capital.
All the way, 54-yard touchdown. The half four. Did I choose to stream Main Panda? I was supposed to stream what's her face? I think it was Wildcats. Shout out to the 41 in the stream already. Best streamer got worst game, bro. Not the best streamer, bro. Look at my graphics.
I wish restream chases. Who's streaming that game?
Who is streaming? I forgot. I don't think it's a bad streamer. Oh, it's Porg. Wait, is it Porg? Yeah, it is Porg. Yeah, Porg is.
Damn, we should have streamed that.
I wish.
It doesn't matter. Hopefully this is a good game.
Shit, I've been on mute.
I've been on mute. I haven't seen this good at QB.
Who's in the
Panda
booth?
with a 3. His username is 300. Free Rizethra LFGK. He's throwing a tribute to Rizethra.
He's gonna call a comeback.
He forced to come back and almost gets H-Rup.
Wait, H-Rup on this?
What the hell?
I'm surprised.
And Panda had pretty much built the last second
H-Rup's
roster.
friends. He's got Savage and
Lurking.
I run just runs the ball, dropping Sports Network. Shout out to
just angles for
64.
that.
We got Graf's little bitch ass in here. We got BBLM. We got little Jeff.
Who's Graf's little bitch ass?
Big Texas with the blocks. Big
And
Texas.
Panda has a wide open man in the corner. Touchdown to number 2.
That
That is H-Rup. We got a game. Alright.
This big Texas dude is locked in.
This big Texas dude.
Y'all gotta watch out for Big Texas, bro.
What? Bro, talk to me nice. Dylan is shit talking in my stream. What the fuck?
Bro, I'm Little California if he's Big Texas.
Bro, I can't POV stream, bro. Graf already POV streamed. I can't do
Big
it.
Texas said he's doing this for H-Town. Houston, baby.
Bro, Barry, why'd you turn that? Jeez,
Barrett's activity.
Spears a moron. Here he goes. First and 15 for Capital. Stepping up.
Seems to be pressured.
Created his own pressure. Gonna throw it to the check down. 3-yard gain. Good tackle.
Bro, if like some of these LOS receivers were half as good as Sonic, these teams would be so much better.
Just maybe like 5%.
One of a kind animal. Capital rolling around in his end zone.
Really deep shot, and he's not gonna take. He's gonna throw a very contested. Boom. Very
Prime Savage
dangerous.
King max that.
More dangerous than Falcon and Raising Canes.
I'm having Raising Canes. That shit's busting.
Making that pass is like going to fucking Waffle House at 2 a.m.
15 Capital has someone on the right side and looks like a good ball. Magnum for a touchdown.
That's something that sounds
Kind of boring too.
He's been playing LFG.
Sonic for the first time this season.
He beat Sonic's team. There's a difference, kid.
Yeah, bro. Sonic only takes accountability for the loss when he's on my team, because that's when like the duo that it's highest.
Roblox streaming football says, have you ever just walked into McDonald's and seen
By the way,
someone
I was
make
running
an
with
ass for them?
randoms.
What was that, Sonic?
I was running with randoms that game. It doesn't even count.
Oh yeah, Sonic said he was running with randoms.
Thanks, Barry. Barry be bad saying W mod in chat. And so far, this team, both teams have shown no defense, straight offense here, but this is second
Hey,
possession.
Panda.
Wow,
That was an in-and-out animal style, bro. Double right there.
not animal style. Just who's better, you or Graf? Obviously me. It's my son, bro. I fought for the back
Main
camera.
Panda pressured.
Another right
Fold.
sideline fold, wide open. Main Panda looking like Rizethra over here. Haha.
alts.
They definitely does have a lot of alts here. Main Panda push back, throwing it into the seam, right in the back end zone, and the wide receiver is poor.
Main Panda's kind of him though.
Yeah, he's been. I'm telling you, bro, he's a hooper. Main Panda thrown to the left sideline. Great pass to Mario Pavon. Mario Pavon trying to get some mixes in 22-yard game.
Oh my ball! My glorious
Inside the
Emperor
end
Volcano.
zone. That's my Mexican king. It's my bean burrito.
All right.
It's like Empire.
Pressure.
15th on the
That was
right
a comeback.
sideline. 2-yard
Good tackle.
gain. Good tackles by the shorts. Capital not looking too bad right now. Defensively. He's looking 13 now. Main Panda pressured. Forcing it and intercepted. As soon as I say that too.
Bro, I like zoomed all the
Man,
way in.
I don't know what he was.
POV of the ball.
Future Georgia Bulldog Hall 4 with a great play.
I don't know what he was thinking with his brain or his dick, bro. I
All
can't say.
right. Right. Shout out to the 87 in the stream. Let's get this a little higher, bro.
I
Everyone
think
gets
he
more
tried to
stream.
pre-fire a no jump in the back end zone.
But he got pressured, bro. Play BB lane weak note at DE, dog. I got P-clock this as well. So Falcon, tell us what you got from Raising Canes today. Little Jeffrey.
He's probably licking his fingers right now on mute.
Who are you talking to, son?
Falcon, tell me you are doing that.
No, my mom just told me to never talk with food in my mouth.
So that's why you're so quiet all the damn time.
Capital thinking of a devious VC play right now.
Yo, tell BBLA TJ Cousin owns him and he's the GOAT. Oh my god, we're not doing this again.
TJ Cousins is fucking bald.
What?
Yeah, you didn't know that? He's bald.
He's bald? How old is he?
Like 16.
I heard he's 17.
What the hell?
He's not bald. He's just
Don't
bald.
diss TJ Cousin, said Varick. And then Falcons catching strays in chat. Like, what's going on? Tell BBLA he's an ugly retard, said Psy.
The
Dude.
Cougars.
What the hell? Why?
Isn't that guy a fucking ginger, bro? I hate to be you.
Like, why are we doing this, bro? Once the game starts, I'm not reading you guys' comments, bro, so let it all out while you can. Sai said he's sorry. Tell BBLA he's the smallest virgin of all time, said Modern. Dude, Modern.
Dude, Modern once told me he hasn't left his room in 24 hours, bro. Like, for 24 hours straight, he was-
And then Sai said BBLA is a fat and very hard, like, word. Jesus Christ.
Well, you're a fucking... I gotta watch my language because it's a stream, but...
No, we can't
You're
kiss,
an
bro. I don't want to go
awkward
to
ginger.
jail, bro. What's your favorite cereal? Cinnamon Toast Crunch, bro. I haven't had
Bro,
it in
you're
so
getting real.
long.
You're not real.
What do you mean I'm not real?
Frosted Flakes is the best. Can't even
Bro,
lie.
no, it's not.
What? Fucking
Alright, Graf.
Graf's gonna say fucking
What do you think
Fruit
is the best?
Loops.
Wheaties? Wheaties.
Nah, Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
What the fuck are you gonna say? You're not real. And then just say what?
Yeah, you're actually a bot. I can't even lie.
Graf's just... What, the way he talks, bro, it's just so NPC-like. Bro, Sai said Fruity Pebble's the best. You are a Fruity Pebble. Dylan said tell
Wait,
Graf
what
that he
size
wouldn't
that?
have Ginger Side. Tell Graf
Where's
that he
Big
wouldn't
Bro
have
at?
almost lost to Wugga if he still had me. Just tell him this.
Yo,
Alright.
Homelander.
Game's
Alright,
back, bro. We gotta
Capital
lock in.
going back.
Capital in his own end zone, not running the triple, blockers, but he's gonna throw a comeback, mislead it, but hit it to
Very
number 10.
questionable decision to not run triple blockers, if you ask me.
Doing this for Houston.
Throw on the right sideline, comeback again, and it's gonna be incomplete to Civics. Second down.
Swatted by the first down marker.
Thanks, Jeffrey. Thank you for pointing that out. Second and 15 now, Capital. Surveying the field, has a man deep, and he's going to exactly let that happen, but that's going to be tossed and swatted
Why?
down.
Why are you swatting that?
Third and
That's
15.
what I'm saying.
That was a
bro.
burger.
There's actually...
Looking like me versus like...
Third and 15. Capital. Throwing the check down to Young. Young getting a first down right there. 60-yard gain in enemy territory. Sleepy Mini, when you gonna send me the DE hitbox reducer in the reach script? It's a 15 capital. That's a decent amount of time thrown to the left sideline. Swatted
swat.
down. Good swat by the DB. Shout out to 100 viewers, even though we're slowly going down.
Why do they have Paw 4 on the sideline?
2nd and 15.
I think he likes the play there.
Capital. Hitting Young. Young trying to get a couple. Not enough. 6 yards. 39. Falcon, what's the play
Yo,
here,
Falcon,
bro?
do you think that Just would angle less on the slot or the sideline?
Big Texas with the pressure.
Capital.
Oh, Capital.
Stepping up in the LOS. Throwing a sideline LOS to Young.
Why didn't he attack that at all?
It'd probably angle less on the slot, because on the sideline he's always on the side of the ball, but in the slot he just jumps from under it.
Exactly, bro. See, little Jeff knows ball. First and 15 is enemy's red zone. Capital looking around.
Look at the big Texas pressure.
Big Texas.
Big Texas said he's doing it for Houston. Really pushed up.
Capital hitting the corner a little late, incomplete. Loki looked like it could have been into the blue, but
I'm not gonna lie, Josh, you get called for angles so much and I've never seen you swerve.
I'm saying, bro.
How is that
Really
possible?
just jumped.
I don't even know how to
Kick
angle
balls
like
as in
that.
football duels.
2nd and 15. Word of my mother. He's gonna throw it to the in slant. 8-yard gain makes it manageable
Who
for a
tackled him
third.
there?
7. Justice Sprug playing? I don't know.
I think I just got banned from football.
Throws
Oh
in.
my god, Capital.
Was it a post BCN, bro? It wasn't filmed? That's a post BCN if I
Chase game didn't go too well though.
Yeah, that's why you
Kick is up and good. Just why'd I get kicked from the team hub? I don't know. Yo's just kicks. Yo's just deletes the VC when he wants to, bro. Let alone he'll just ban whoever he doesn't like. Just is Labama top 3 dog in LFG. It goes Falcon 1, Sonic 2, and Falcon 3. First and 15. Oh, I forgot Janky. Sorry, Janky 3.
Main Panda seems to be rolling around, passes the midfold. It's a Kwafa, whoever that is.
Quifa. Just QB season 1, never. Nice fucking QB. First and 15. Main Panda. Has some options. Thrown to the right sideline. It's his favorite spot. Incomplete. Just a barely little over maybe, or he just missed. I couldn't tell. 2nd and 15. Panda. Statue in the pocket. Throwing to number 2. Could have been Crab. And he's getting a few blocks here. Gets tackled at the 23. Ultimately down at the 25. Jesus Christ. I'm not even going to answer that. First and 15. Main Panda.
Big Texas with the immaculate blocks.
Big Texas. The Tonka Trunk himself. He's going to throw it to the right sideline. Incomplete. Might have been a throwaway, yeah.
Alright, that was some good Raising Canes.
Alright, thank you, Falcon. 2nd and 15. Throws a celery no jump. 17 yards. Inside. Or barely outside the 10. First and goal. Panda. Ow, he just hit my wrist. Panda throwing a... Wow.
That guy's playing on such high.
Mother of Teresa, bro. What the hell?
Everest keepers on such a high.
Mario Pavon, LFG with an amazing reel. Really good pass by Panda.
That's LY Chicago.
It's LY Chicago. Kick is up and no good. Blocked by Capital in Arizona.
Well, who's winning right now?
Capital.
Cat Pitbull.
Cat Pitbull.
Capital.
Sorry, Capital.
Capital is winning.
Capit. Capit ATL, bro. First and 15 Capital in his own end zone, but has pretty good amount of time. Big Tex is trying to do what he can, but he's going to go deep downfield to the right side. That looks like a good ball and incomplete.
That was a dime by Capit ATL.
Sonic is
You know
ulting
the
for
dime?
Capital. Second and 15 Capital. Big
Big
Texas.
Texas with the hurdle.
Oh, God. Capital might go for the same pass again. No, this time it's going to be the opposite side. Has a really good burn. The ball looks good. Touchdown. But he swerved.
That's angry clutch.
Little glatch. Someone said Angel. Ask Graf. The Bomber Falcon
That
Dog.
would have been a mag. That would have been a mag.
/M, but challenge.
If they're not going to challenge you, what else are you going to do? Capital's going to take the points. Main Panda's too pussy to make a call, and the kick's going to be up and good.
God.
Bro, Graf, we got to ask Graf, bro. We got to ask Graf, bro. La Bomber
Bro,
Falcon dogging wise.
I'll take 3 of them. I'll take 3 of them.
La Bomber Falcon dogging wise.
LeBomb.
What?
Bro, he exploits.
Oh yeah, he exploits.
But Little Jeff exploits too.
What the fuck? What are you talking about?
Bro, Falcon,
No,
bro.
part of
I'll
that
see you on the
goofy shit.
hog hope, bro. Who do you think is better, BBLA or my glorious King Barry? At hashtag Ask Graf.
Bro,
Dog.
don't think takes our culture. It's BBLA.
It's oh yeah, exactly.
Oh.
What a great swap by the shore, looking like me. Second and 15. Man.
I don't know. I've low-key seen BBLA getting eaten up by Alex before.
You watch your damn mouth. Second and 15. BBLA doesn't even know that
When has
fraud.
ever happened?
Main Panda looking, has a wide open man, but he doesn't take him. Instead, he throws some baloney, bro. What the hell? Absolutely missed that guy on the left.
I'm not sure of that pass choice, personally.
Neither do I.
Maybe,
Third and 15, Main Panda hitting the midfold to A-Shrub. A-Shrub, 90-yard gain, first down.
I thought Big
People
Texas
give-
was about to get
Why
got
do
lane,
people
bro.
give celeries on third down, bro? Like, I don't understand.
No, Jeff, I don't
Big
understand
Texas with
either.
the blocks.
Main Panda, right sideline. Great reel by the wide receiver.
Yeah, that receiver did it perfect.
Shut up. First and 15.
He even caught it without angling, Joss.
I wasn't angling. First and 15. Main Panda.
Big-
Big Texas holding it down for the city of Houston, and what a touchdown! Imagine Grab POV streaming it. POV streaming what? Okay. I don't want to waste the last Ask Grab to that question. Jeffy or Jussie?
Gunther.
Probably Jussie.
Probably, bro. You're really gonna give up the Jeff? Oh, we gotta ask Falcon. Would you rather eat McDonald's every day for 5 years or actually get good in LFG?
Well,
The first
I
one-
would like to know who said that.
Youngblood GT12.
All right. Well, no, I'm not gonna answer that question because what the fuck is a Youngblood G12? Number one.
He's the one that kept asking LeBomb questions. Might be LeBomb. First and
Capital.
15.
Looking around.
Looking around, looking a little too hard. Oh, Big Texas!
Big motherfucking Texas.
Almost made a better play than the Cowboys defense ever had in their lives, bro. Second to 15 now. Big Texas holding it down.
That's great
Throwing a
pressure.
very tight window. Great defense by number 43. Third and 15
Shit,
now for
not
Capital
looking like
Arizona.
Pulse out there.
I knew you were
My
going to say.
God.
Third and 15. Capital surveying the field. Capital getting pressured by Big Texas. Going to throw a
Yes,
very
fuck.
tight
Oh.
window. And it's going to be converted for a first down, 20-yard gain.
Bro, they're selling Big
These are all-
Texas's run.
Ask Falcon,
tough
Big
backs,
Texas or BBLA?
Big Texas is him, man. He's a raw diamond.
Falcon, did you just fart?
What do you mean?
No, I heard that. I heard a little.
I didn't.
That was Falcon, bro.
That was Falcon,
I
bro. I
didn't
heard
fart.
that. I heard that. Someone clip that. What the
didn't
hell?
fart.
Yes, you did, bro.
Like, I would admit if I farted. What the hell?
Great tackle,
On
5
stream.
yards out of bounds. No, Falcon,
I
bro. you-
would.
Oh my god, dude.
I think it was my chair.
Your chair, yeah. Something stink up the chair, that's for sure. Second and 10.
Yeah, who are you talking to?
Capital throwing a wide open man on the sideline. As Justice, Big Bro, Los Angeles, the top 5 defensive end of legendary football, Gridiron Football Fusion Season 5 currently? Yes, of course.
Of course.
Who's Gunther?
Okay, alright, we're not doing this.
my
We're not
God.
doing this. First and 15. Nuking it. Oh my god, the DEs. Jeffrey is so big, said Pockers. Oh my god.
Who's Gunther?
Second and 15, Capital.
Got the check down.
Throwing a very tight window. That's like a good ball, but the receiver stopped. Did he not? Did he look like he not stop?
Not a good play.
My glorious King Goat gets that.
No, Falcon, bro. Alright, buddy.
What are you talking about?
15, Capital throwing a very tight window to number 10. Number 10 with the catch. 12 seconds ago here would be really big for Arizona to convert here. Do they get ball at half? No, they don't. Main Panda gets ball at half. What's a good Elijah? Elijah in chat.
Capital.
First and goal. Capital forcing it in a what in God's name? Polo Chief fan with the catch in the back end zone diving. Very athletic. Youngblood GT said, "As BBLA, who's the best DE you've ever played with as the kick gets blocked?"
Who's the best D I would play with?
That you have ever played with. Or no, the best you have ever played, not with. Whoops.
Ever played?
You
I have
ever
no
played.
idea.
So someone that gave you problems.
I have no idea.
Show wide receiver stats? Sure, actually, why not? Trough with 5 catches on 39. I'll show you in a second as they throw
Oh, that's a great play.
great
You can probably
outs.
get the toss off now.
We could have got a little more off that. I can't
Call
lie.
with
I feel
3,
like
2,
Main Panda seems
137.
to be
Sounds 4, 1, and 124. Not too bad. Main Panda
I
has
think Main Panda
infinite
seems to be
time.
toss off.
Big Texas with amazing
Getting
chips.
off.
Gonna toss it deep down. That's gonna be into the end zone. Swat it down.
No, I'm not gonna lie, that was a prodigy toss.
All right, guys, do your ask whatever's real quick before halftime ends. Ask Falcon Gunther sign a 1v1.
Gunther.
Ask BBLA Shears Junior Hall of Fame.
Of course.
Big Texas is lady, bro. Just or JP Enchilada in a 1v1. Just JP Enchilada. Ask
Bro,
Falcon,
JP
what's his
Enchilada's
5
on
guys
safety
order?
now.
Big Texas. Listen, Big
What?
Texas reminds me of like a.
Falcon, what's your 5 guys order?
Pop, yeah, what's your,
I've never had 5 guys.
That's cap.
oh, you've
Bro,
definitely
that's
had
some
5
rich
guys
people
in you,
shit,
son.
bro. That shit is expensive as shit.
Who are your top 5 deeps of all time, bro? That's clip 1.
Falcon.
Falcon 2.
Well-
Oh my god. As Kraft, who's the most random player you had on your team, but he turned out to be decent or good? Oh god.
Let me think about that actually.
There's literally someone in the VC right now. Bro, I gotta show these screenshots, bro. Ask Falcon, how tight is your okay, never mind. I'm not
You're talking about Falcon, right? It's the random
Approximately
player.
35 centimeters.
Yeah, alright, bro. Ask Just, you still work at Papa Joe. How'd you fuck up the joke?
I'm gonna go out on a limb and say Just.
Yeah, but it has to be me, bro. You were dissing the shit out before you even joined.
Oh, that's a great.
Oh
kick.
wow! Wait, hold
That's
on.
a touchdown.
No,
That's the
it's not.
first kickoff.
Oh, he's
no.
boxed in.
Bro,
Bro, this guy has no mixes,
where did
bro.
I spawn
How do you not
from,
get out of
Elijah?
that?
From Candy, bro. Uh-oh.
Big Texas
Feel
right here.
in chat. First 15, Main Panda pushed back. Main Panda looking around, is gonna throw a very tight window. That's
it's
one-on-one.
Oh
Intercepted,
my.
but incomplete.
Bro, I would actually be so mad if that happened to me.
If someone said ask Gunther, he's not even in the VC. What am I weighing in right now? 171, bro. Also, sadly.
Yo,
Okay.
Just, can I get mod?
Yeah, you can have more. Say some chat.
Alright,
and one.
I got you.
Panda
Panda, look around.
looking around has somebody at the right side.
Oh, I'm
cuts
already
back
a mod.
in. And now Falcon's
there,
gonna
yeah.
absolutely nuke my chat. 20-yard gain inside enemy territory now. Main Panda can have a chance to make it a one-score game. So take his mod. There's the goal.
King Pakinga, you're out.
No, stop banning people, bro. Just time him. He's gonna throw a
Big Texas
what?
with the lane.
What a catch by number 43. Good pass.
Big motherfucking Texas putting.
Alright, Kaylee.
He's gonna run it in for a touchdown. Everyone stop. No. Stop doing this. The crowd.
Smokers, you're gone. Alright, well, real life ass,
Bro, Falcon's destroying the fucking runs, dude.
you're gone. Alright, well, JarXND, you're gone.
Stop. Leave him alone, bro.
Anyone else?
Ask
Alright,
Graf,
well, Elijah, you're gone.
Graf, how long are you gonna hang on to Just? I feel like without you, he's not even that good of a player.
My internet went out.
Bro, what the? Okay. First 15. Doesn't even matter. Capital.
Capital here.
Barry here.
What the lane?
What an interception! Wow, what the hell? Yo, what a
What
great
an
play.
interception, I didn't even realize.
Bro, aced
What
on
an
purpose to
interception.
make a play on that. What a play. Like, wow.
Falcon, can you screen share again?
Is Graf not screen sharing?
Yeah, I got you. I'll just do it myself.
His internet went out.
Of course.
Sorry for y'all getting flashbang.
Green Panda.
Panda throwing a very
Great
tight
pass.
window. Not being able to real.
Oh, Graf got it, Graf got it.
Oh, good time to
Green
watch.
Panda scrambling around.
Just Graf got it now.
Graf got it.
Pass to
That was the right sideline. That's going to be caught. 25-yard gain. Ask Grab, did you wet your chair whenever Rationals picked you up with 10 seconds left?
Wait,
No,
is Elijah
maybe
still
that
timed
does-
out?
Back end zone
Oh.
incomplete. Oh, Grab, someone also said, how long are you going to hang on to Just? I feel like without you, he's not even that good of a player.
Yeah, I'll give him I'll give him another game probably.
Another game.
come back.
He's just going to release for the Super
Well,
Bowl, bro.
Pucker's another timeout.
Stop me.
Alright, well, 2 Bunkas for Tokyo.
When it's
Bye.
crunch time, play the hypebeast like Jackson does. Bro, I'm not Jackson. Jackson's way better than me at this shit. I suck. I think I'd be a professional streamer with Little Jeff and Graf in the booth. Give me a touchdown and put Nate Panda on the straight in. Only people who like boys and talkers for
Yeah, straight
Ask Graf, will you
Okay.
create Graf Gritty when you win the bowl?
Oh, why is
Pockers, bro.
Youngblood GT unmuted?
Bro, Pockers, bro. You ask Falcon, do you wipe or just pray it's a ghost poop?
What even is a ghost poop?
It's when you shit and like there's like actually like nothing like to wipe. Bro. It's like just straight went shit through.
I don't think this is very stream appropriate.
I don't
Oh,
know, but
goes
Capital
right,
gets
takes
saved
the
by
leg,
Big
4 yards
Texas.
Just eats the sack.
Big motherfucking
19.
Texas, baby. Love that.
Bro, he's in the same clan as Big Zoe.
Dog.
19. Capital throwing into very
my
tight
God.
window. Civics catches
First
stuff,
down.
gets a gain, 21 yards, first down.
Are you
Ask
saying he's
Falcon,
equal to EXO off perks?
where are you going next season? Ask Falcon. First
I don't
15.
know.
Capital. There's a decent amount of time. Big
Looking
Texas,
around.
though. Not anymore. Pressure all the way back to his end zone. Might have the lane. He does
Not
get the
pressured,
lane.
bro. They
Big Texas.
Just the middle.
Big Texas.
Middle of the field. Oh
He's
my
gonna go
God,
deep
that's
down
why-
the
overed
field
it.
and he overed the ball.
Man.
Nah, it's Loki Mac ball, I can't even lie.
Little Jeff Mags up.
well for like an elite ass receiver like Little Jeff.
G posted as BDSN, so all of us. Thoughts on Big Texas, bro? Top 5. Diamond in the rough.
Come back.
Dude, yeah, come back to solid 23-yard game, first down. Extra 15.
Capital loading around.
Panda, not Panda, sorry, Capital.
Wow.
Excuse my French. That's a wide open
Wide
in the
open.
right corner. He's gonna throw it. It's not really that wide open, but he threw a decent ball.
It's a
Incomplete.
laser.
Dude, that's not even an ask. That's not even an ask question. At that point, just trying to bitch PPLA. Second and 15.
Well,
Like, ask
so that-
BBLA, you're just a ring chaser. Is it every time where you will ever get good and carry?
That's a
and-
dog.
Who said that?
Youngblood GT12.
What?
Just like ask BBLA, why Why are you so garbage at QB? Please never QB again.
That was Pockers.
Was it the same guy?
No, it was Pockers.
No, that's Pokers.
Dude,
Pokers.
Tucker is hating for a reason on him.
Yeah, BBLA's him, bro.
Hey, BBLA, you'll know you made it once you have haters.
Elijah said, "Tell BBLA he is trash." Pob over BBLA.
Elijah's just mad I said Apache's a better MLB than him.
Where's the 15
Me
big
and Panda
Panda?
looking around.
This devil looking around has
It's
a
still
wide
open.
open mid-fold.
Yo, that receiver is scaring me. Have you guys seen how he's like slow walking? Or no?
Bro, he's
Yeah, and he jumps so late.
it's just a bad server? No, it's not really that bad of a server. First
Big
15.
Texas. With
Big
no blocks.
Texas
he's a
trying to
pressure.
recover. Big Texas wants to make it fair for the other BBs. Said Apache's the best MLB and that Calvin is a top BB. Poker said, "Will you go on face cam and twerk like Koi the Highway once we win the Super Bowl again?" Said Pockers. Ask
Ooh,
Falcon.
that's a good find.
Water.
Yeah, I'll do
Remember that. Ask Graph, is Topstil's the most annoying little kid you've ever played with, or the spookiest?
Not the most annoying. Well, actually,
It's gotta be top 5. Don't you
Yeah.
dare even put rep in
it.
up there.
Nah, Topzos isn't that annoying in game.
Not anymore.
Only when you said something to
Not
him.
anymore. First and 15 now, Capital. Surveying the field. Big Texas trying to play good contain here. Big Texas. He's going to go deep down the field. That's going to be incomplete over. Topso said,
I'm not liking this from Capital so far, bro. I'm not liking this.
Ask BBLA, when will you give Shears Jr. a season as your DE partner?
Bro. I don't know why you're asking me that. Shears Jr. has to give me a season, bro. I don't have a choice.
It's going to be caught. 60-yard game. Shout out to the 130 in the stream. About to get to crunch time. Here's Capital's probably going to take the clock down, and Falcon shits himself mid-play.
Oh,
First
I just
15.
heard that fucking chart.
Yeah, no,
That's
Falcon's
amazing.
fucking nasty. He's
that
gonna
the
throw it to the
direction
right
I'm doing it with my mouth?
sideline, and it's gonna be caught.
that was Falcon,
That
bro.
was definitely Falcon, dude.
I keep doing it with my mouth.
Oh, really? Really?
I can make that same noise right
Do
now.
it. Do it.
Alright, hold on. I gotta get the laugh out of my system.
First and 15,
Capital.
Capital.
Ready?
He has time.
Throwing it to the left sideline. Caught! What a Capital half court. Catching the ball. Great play by Arizona. That'd be really good shit, man. You're a go for giving Shears his respect. It's not even an ad. Like, it's not even a question. The same guy that asked you before if you're going to let Shears be your DE partner. Ask Falcon if you had to choose a bomber Bark as your deeps or Zaire and Jays.
See, none of the above.
Ask Graf who's more
Cover two.
versatile, Ed's Clip or Bobo.
Oh, I slipped easily. Fuck.
Oh, X-Clip isn't really versatile. He's just better than Bobo at his main position.
No, I slip is better than Bobo at everything. That's a fucking
Dude,
goal.
that's a goat, dude. I don't know what he's on about. I just said ask BBLA if he will let me O-line for him when he QBs, bro.
Fuck no, this kid stinks, bro.
There's a 15.
Whoa.
Main Panda throwing it to Yellow West at number 43 with the first cow. I just said BBLA's lying. Am I Mexican? No. Ask Falcon, cheeseburgers or glizzies? Oh, God.
Burgers.
Rest in 15.
I think burgers just give you more
Main
flavor
Panda-
personally.
I can't, bro.
What the fuck, bro?
I can't have Falcon in the booth and someone trying to make fun of him for eating shit. It's normal.
I mean, Panda. Rolling around.
Plenty of time throwing the left side. What a swat!
The angles.
That
What do you mean? That
low-key
was a
should have
free
been
pick.
angle swat. They're not calling anything though. He jumped
That was
high.
a free pick.
Ask Falcon, does it fart? Okay, Tom says you're getting timed
Yeah.
out just for that. No,
Yeah, I'm one-timing him out.
I mean, Panda. Corner.
he's a minor.
Mm,
First down,
Okay.
20-yard. What?
Whoa, I didn't mean it like that. Hold on. Whoa, whoa.
First and goal, man. Panda covering for the touchdown. Shout out to the 144. We got another ping, I think.
Just,
Yo,
I
BB-LA.
had way more viewers than you, Just.
Yeah, no, bro.
Yo,
It's a people.
BB-LA. Elijah asked, does it clap when you walk?
It is a very close game. I'm not gonna lie, bro. 48-48. Who would have thought? G posted as BBLA. Would you rather DE with Irvin or Gunna for the rest of your career?
Irvin for sure, bro. That kid's a beast.
Ask
Have you
Graf,
heard
is
of him?
Memo the best DE you've ever played?
Fuck no.
No. Who is Oregon? Oregon is main Panda, Bubba. Show wide receiver stats.
Alright,
God
Big
damn it.
Texas. Capital.
Show you in a
Push
second.
back.
Capital throwing the
Comeback.
right sideline comeback because that was 14-yard gain. Here is your wide receiver stats.
They're abusing that shit like it's domables right now. I'm gonna lie, bro.
Dude, so second and 1 now. Capital.
Oh, Big Texas.
Big Texas. He's gonna throw another right sideline comeback. Where the hell is the short? 17-yard gain, another first down.
That short is being abused like domables in our game. Capital rolling around.
No, it is not jiggle when I walk. First and 15. Capital.
Yo, Graf.
Another
Elijah
comeback.
said he's sorry for leaving you season 17.
Elijah was with Graf season 17.
Oh, he also just said it's a prank and then it was worth leaving you. You're trash at the game.
No, he says as no, he didn't say that. First and 15. Capital. Lock in Jefferson all day
Yeah,
long.
Elijah.
Throwing it to the LOS.
Yo,
Another game.
Elijah, you had your chance.
Oh my god, dude.
Yo, Graf, Elijah just said a washed version of him is blowing him out. Mercy.
No, he didn't say that. Elijah said, bro,
Falcon,
take
I
me
have
back.
the chat-
5-yard
Falcon,
gain.
I have the chat
That shit
open.
is being posterized right now.
Absolutely.
He DM'd me that.
No, Elijah, fuck you, whore.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Capital.
Capital with the run and a first
Alright,
down.
Well, yo,
Topsos,
Graf,
look what
by the
Topsos
way,
said in chat, Falcon.
I think Topsos was one of the most annoying people I've ever played with.
First and
fucking
goal.
squeaker.
Young at running back or whatever the fuck. Never mind. It's gonna go right there. They're gonna call VC play. Capital hitbox reducer. What the hell? Ash Falcon doesn't have recoil. Falcon, Ask BBLA, can we hear the turbulence? No. I'll say for him. I think Grav was just upset that we beat him first round season 15. The fact that I mercy ruled him with Zanwag season 16. That was Elijah.
Is that true? Did you get mercy ruled by?
Okay, so when we played Zenwalk season 16, we got mercy because they kept tossing on us and they could just spam fourth. And then we actually mercied them as well that season. The next time we played them.
Oh, so Elijah.
Ask just
Yeah,
who's
no,
fatter.
Season 15, you caught me on my first season back and I was washed.
Ask
Well,
just
just don't even answer that.
No,
Just thought it
Top
was
Souls
better.
is fatter. Pressure 15. Panda. Looking around. Panda push back onto the right sideline. Great lead, but wide receiver didn't go up. Prograph, how do you get mercy by the FNAF crew? Oh, my God. Second to 15.
FNAF.
Yes. Man, Panda throws an interception at Capital!
Capital just steps under it.
Atra probably was told to run a comeback, but Capital was all over it regardless.
Damn, he looks like Law right there.
You did look like Law, even with the little swerve and everything.
Yeah, except Law would be more over it. And
Alright, Top Souls is getting timed for bullshit.
Capital. He has the game on his back right now.
His
Big
whole
Texas
team on his
was
back,
first.
taking it right there. LOS gets plenty of
Is not looking like a good
Yeah,
player.
yards.
This short needs more than God. He's like fucking.
He's Allah.
X-Club, bro. He's X-Club. Capital.
First 15. Capital. Push back. Pressured.
I'm not trying to
Throwing it to the right
Yeah,
sideline.
guys,
And what a catch.
That side is actually cursed, bro.
They want him to go in. They're not I'm not gonna do it though, but now 1 minute warning is on Oregon side right here.
If they can, they have to run around for about 40 seconds of pocket time.
Capital gonna try to run it in, and that's gonna be a touchdown. It's not impossible.
That was so dumb. What the hell?
But yeah, it's definitely not impossible. Hashtag basketball. Ask Graf Falcon or just for wide receiver?
Just.
Bro, Falcon's him. Falcon's got the dogging, I got the discipline. That's all there is to it.
I mean, when they 1v1 real battle though, Falcon did win.
Okay, don't lie. I won. I didn't win by much, but I won.
Wait, what did you win in?
The real battle, remember?
Wait, who won the real battle?
I won the real battle.
According to my
Falcon choked that little overtime shit, bro. He tied it, then we did like sudden death, and he choked.
I think
bro.
I was lagging.
Yeah. What the fuck? Shut the
Bro.
fuck up, bro.
Y'all remember when my fucking sister 1v1 Gunther?
She caught some over him
you're
too.
lying.
Here, we gotta lock in, bro. Lock in, bro. Crunch time, bro.
Gunther almost lost, dude.
First
bro.
and 15, main panda. Big Tex
Bro,
is holding it
Throw
down.
it in the corner.
Throwing it to the right,
Bro, did you see
LOS.
that corner?
I-
Oh, no.
I didn't see it, but he goes out of bounds, 16-yard gain.
Bro, no, right corner was so wide.
So
Oh,
main,
hell
main
no.
panda's scared, bro. It's his first playoffs.
No, the best QB I've actually faced is Zeldar.
First and 15. Graph's on some bullshit. As main panda might be on some bigger bullshit.
Oh, no.
Hitting that right side.
Yo,
Incomplete.
that's a drop. That's a drop. That's a drop. I can't even
That's
lie.
a hard catch, dog. I can't.
Yo, there's
could've
no
thrown
way,
that
there's
so
no
much
way
easier.
someone just made a Twitch account called Falcon is getting banned. What the hell?
The main panda. Stepping up, throwing that right sideline. The right sideline. Incomplete.
I gotta
Main
score
panda's
here, man.
folding, dude. Yeah, they have to.
You gotta score. You gotta
Third and
score.
15. Main panda stepping up in the pocket. Throwing to the left sideline.
Oh.
Incomplete.
Oh, you have to score here. You have to score here, man. You have to score. If they get a first down, it's over, bro.
Main panda with Big Texas holding it down. Main
Bro, no,
panda
bro.
has to hit the end zone. It's gonna bullet toss it. Incomplete. And that's gonna be the game. 61 Arizona Wildcats, 48 Oregon State. Here's your stats of the game. They might. While they do that, I'll have some of the stats up for you guys.
Score that last toss.
Toss is up. 60-yard gain. That's
All
it.
this just to get spanked by.
Alright, so we're watching
Oh, yeah, I didn't get to finish the stream. Okay, do one more ask whoever real quick. I'll take